In this video, I will show how to upgrade ChatGPT. So, firstly, open ChatGPT and sign in if need. Now, here, guys, is the option Upgrade to Plus. Just click on it. Now, here, you have to click on this upgrade plan. You have this feature available even when demand is high. Faster response speed, priority access tuning features. So just click on upgrade plan and pay the 20 and some text. It's can be differ as different country. So once you complete this purchasing, open again or just refresh, or you will see this interface. Everything is same, just you will find here default, like model you can change default GPT 3.5, and also you can select this one and GPT-4. Just you will see this only difference. And in my case, there is the no in this time so many difference. And but is the better if you select this legacy or GPT-4. Here you can see this parameter for GPT-4, reasoning speed, and in the legacy and in the default version. So this way, guys, you can upgrade your GPT, Chat GPT. Thanks for watching.